Okay, how to score better in any exam? Here are some tips and tricks before exam. Point number 1, listen very carefully. Point number 1, no need to take cheats. No need to take cheat. Why will we take cheat? So many people will take cheat. Others will take cheat. Other students will take. So you don't take. And point number 2, no need to do questions serially. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Don't go serially. Go wherever you like. Do number 3, then go to 2, then go to 5, as you like. 3 number is easy questions at first. If you do easy questions at first, you will get marks for sure. And remember basic formulas like class 9 formula. Class 9 formula is very important in class 12. We derive according to class 9 formula. Everything is same, a little bit change only. So remember class 9 formula. If you were very talented in junior classes, now you can easily score very good marks. Now point number 5. Point number 5, no need to read difficult formulas now. Now no need to read. If you have read earlier, then it is very good. But now read only basic formulas. Because what happens is you will become stressed. You will be so worried. You will become in tension. So don't read complex formulas. Read easy formulas. And point number 6. Another is look at least one question from one exercise. Don't see all the questions. Your mind will become very hang. You cannot remember. You will be in stress. You will have tension. So look at least one question from one exercise. Like for example, from 5.1 look 2.e like that. I don't know which question is there, but look at least one question from each exercise. It will be easy to recall your memory. And in these board exams, in national level exams, all questions will be easy. No one will make difficult questions because everybody will be fail if make difficult questions then. So at least to become pass, they will make easy questions. So no need to worry. This is very important formula. This formula you should remember always. In exam also, in higher classes also, in your life also, this formula will be used everywhere. If you follow this formula, you will always be successful. And always make your mind cool. हाम्रो मोबाइल टिभी पनि धेरै चलाउँदा तातिन्छ, सेलाउनु पर्छ. बाइक त झन् मेन हो. बाइक पाहाडको बाटोमा हिँड्दा तातेपछि इन्जिन सेलाउनु पर्छ, नत्र कुद्दैन. त्यस्तै हाम्रो माइन्ड पनि सेलायो भने मात्रै राम्ररी काम गर्छ. तताउनु हुँदैन. कुलमा बस्नु जहिले. So always stay in cool. It will be good for your memory. And if you have followed all this, follow this also. Drink enough water. Enough water. Take a bottle also. You can take bottle also in class, in exam center. Because if you drink more water, your mind will get more water and your brain cells will be very active. If you drink enough water, बिर्सेको कुरा पनि सम्झिन्छ. If you have already forgotten also, then you can remember if you have drink enough water. And also one more advantage of drinking water is after drinking water you want to go to washroom, and frequent washroom means more opportunity to get help. You will get, obviously you can meet friends there also, you can ask, you can take help. This is not cheating, this is fear. You can do it, but do it secretly. Don't do in front of teachers. And point number 10, do not leave your paper empty. Write something you know, what you know. Suppose we know that some formula you may know that all formula related to that question. Suppose that question is from trigonometry, and if from trigonometry any question is given, then whatever formula you know since class 8, class 9, write down all those formula. You will get at least some marks. If your paper is empty, that examiner or that checker who check the question, who check your copy, will give just wrong and no answer, no marks. But if you write something, he may give, okay, he knows some formula but he doesn't know some steps, he can give at least 2 marks, 1 marks. And look, if from all questions you get 1 marks, then from 40 questions you will get 40. This rule is applicable in all steps, in all part of life. Something is better than nothing. You will at least get something. So don't leave your paper empty. This is your paper. This is question number 1. Which question you don't know, write something. And fill the whole copy. You have enough time. And never show your anger to your invigilator. Suppose if invigilator snatched your copy and put you for 5 minutes. He took your copy for 5 minutes. He did not give you to write. Then don't be angry. Be very patient, polite. If you become polite, whoever is in the exam, sir, ma'am, she will also become polite. And this is very important. If we become supportive, they will also become supportive. If we support them in their work, they will also support us in our work. And what we need more than this? If they become supportive, then हाम्रो काम बन्छ अब. And always give those teachers very much respect. If you treat them with respect, they will also give you chance in some mistakes. Like if they found you looking back, looking your friend's answer, then also, okay, 1-2 times they can give chance. But we should always respect them. Don't become angry to them. They should not feel like that, मेरो त भ्यालु नै छैन त यो क्लासमा, सब हल्ला गरिराखन्. Do not make noise. They must feel like you are giving value to them. You must give respect to them. And never make noise in the exam hall. As a teacher, when students make noise, I also feel very irritating. And I scold them, I beat them. But if they maintain silence, okay, there are many benefits. In silence, you can do many things. In silence, you can think properly also. Your memory, your brain cells become active. You can remember a lot of formulas, a lot of solutions you can remember. And they can also let you to do your own work in silence. Because if supervisor came there in the class, then they find noise, then those teacher will also be in problem. But if there is silence, then supervisor will be happy, then teacher will be happy. If teacher happy, then we all are happy. And lastly, a single sheet of paper cannot decide our future. So many big scientists, big successful persons, football player, Messi, Cristiano Ronaldo, so many people, they don't have passed this much exams. How much exams you have passed? So the exams are nothing. What we do in our future is our career. And also remember, before submitting, check your symbol number. If your symbol number is correct, check it 2 times. If your symbol number is incorrect, you will be in big trouble. Check your symbol number, and at the back side, do not write, please make me pass, I am very poor student, please make me pass, Huta Doksu, don't do that like that. Make your attitude, give your attitude, raise your standard. They must feel like, oh, this student is very talented. They should feel like that. Don't let them feel like, oh, this is very kamzor student, this is very laddu. Don't let them feel like that. They must feel like, oh, this student is very talented. And one more point I forgot to tell, add extra papers, like add 3 papers, 4 papers extra, because your copy will become thick. And if thick copy means the person who check your copy will think that, oh, this student has written a lot of things. He must be a talented student. His first impression will be very good. First impression. If first impression is good, then he or she will start giving you good marks from the beginning of the question. So, improve your standard also. And some things you learn yourself in the exam hall. I don't want to tell everything. Some things you will learn yourself in the exam hall. Because since childhood, since class 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, nursery, LKG, SE, class 8, you have given a lot of exams. And this exam is also like that. It is not a big exam, a small exam. Very small exam this is also. So, all the best and thank you. You can do it.